Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts is going to teach a spinning side kick. Now you hear Joe Rogan talk about this a lot. He gets real passionate about this, the difference between the two. So first let's show the spinning back kick. Pivoting. Now I'm back facing when I throw this, okay? Towards the camera. Back facing. So it's like it's a heel kick. We're here, jab, I could step, I could pivot, and I'm here, back kick. It's back. Using more of the back muscles. So he's going to show the spinning side kick, and we're going to talk about the differences, and there's important differences.
There are. So, well, I'll just start by doing it. Okay. So the first thing I do is pivot. Now I'm going to walk through this slowly, so I'm actually going to take a step. Okay, just so I can do it slowly. It's a turn and the kick. So I wouldn't normally set the foot down. Okay, that's the kick.
Now do you see the difference? He's able to lock out a side kick. He's able to lock that hip out. This, he's coming all the way out, and he's able to lock that side kick out and get a lot of power.
Yeah.
Able to get that hip extended all the way.
Yeah.
You can't extend your hip all the way on a back kick.
Right.